Show that 20C5, i.e. choosing 5 things from 20, can be written as 20, 20 minus 1, 20 minus 2, up until 20 minus 5 plus 1 divided by 5 factorial. Now, the reason for having this specific example is coming up with a way of using factorials in the binomial distribution for negative or fractional indices. Notice this last term here, 20 minus 5 plus 1, would allow us to write it in terms of the n and the r here. Because we know that NCR is n factorial over n minus r factorial r factorial. And therefore r would be 5 in this case and n would be 20. So 20C5 will be equal to 20 factorial over 20 minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial. So that's going to be 20 times 20 minus 1. I know that's 19, but I'm going to write it as 20 minus 1 times 20 minus 2. Now, you might not think of this, but there will be a term which is 20 minus 5 plus 1, which is 20 minus 4. And the next term after that will be 20 minus 5. And the term after that will be 20 minus 5 minus 1. I.e. this is 20 minus 5, 20 minus 6, this is 20 minus 4. And then this will carry on, and at the end we have 3 times 2 times 1. Now that's going to be divided by n minus r, so it's going to be 20 minus 5 times 20 minus 5 minus 1, i.e. that one. And that will carry on up until we get to 3 times 2 times 1. And then also we got the 5 factorial from there. Okay, so we can do a little bit of cancelling now. These two will cancel. These two will cancel. And then the 3 and the 2 and the 1. And we'll be left with a 5 factorial. So that's going to be 20 times 20 minus 1 times 20 minus 2, and then up until 20 minus 5 plus 1 divided by 5 factorial. And if we note, NCR, so n is 20, so it would be n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 up until n minus r plus 1. So r was 5, same as this, divided by r factorial. Okay, and this will allow us, and it will have some sort of meaning if n is negative or fractional in the binomial distribution. This is the reason for doing this video. I hope you've understood and followed, and I thank you very much for watching.